GoSmart is a cloud-based platform that allows you, the grant admin, to interact with your grant applicants and panelist reviewers throughout a full grant cycle. This demonstration will cover the 3 separate but interconnected portals where you will create, edit, and manage all elements of the application and panel process. With GoSmart, you will offer applicants a space where they can complete applications and additional forms, a portfolio where they can upload and house media that can be attached to any application, and additional resources for them to learn more about you and your grant opportunities. Invite applicants to the applicant portal with your custom domain. Craft your homepage message to let them know how to best use your granting site. Add formatting, images, and links when possible. Applicants will be prompted to register before they can access the grant forms. Turn on registration settings such as individual or organization designation. Ask for demographic questions required by the National Endowment of the Arts, or customize certain questions by showing, hiding, or making them not required. If you will be asking for image, audio, or video media from applicants, you can turn on your Work Sample Bank feature. Your applicants will see these banks as their online portfolio where they can house media that can be attached to all appropriate applications for as long as they stay active on your GoSmart site. Customize the language of these banks so your applicants know your media expectations. Create content of additional resource pages to provide information that applicants should access outside of the applications. These pages are typically guidelines or contact information, but can be completely customized to suit your needs and can include formatting, links, tables of content, and more. Tech tips are generated by the GoSmart team and are available to all applicants and cover technical items such as browser and printing issues. When an applicant is ready to begin an application, they will see and access all active grant cycles on the Current Programs and Applications page. If you offer cycles that should only be available to a select group of applicants, you can hide a cycle by creating an invitational passcode and providing that passcode to the appropriate applicants. Create a tidy grant cycle package that can include the application and optional forms including an intent to apply, an interim report, and a final report. Customize short messages about the grant opportunity and designate important dates and deadlines. Create optional, flexible page sets to ask for additional data, such as invoices and reimbursement forms. Within your application and other forms, create unlimited pages and questions to gather all of the desired data from your applicants, using any of our 9 page types, 14 question fields, budget tables, and pre-made templates. The most common page is a custom narrative, a blank slate for you to add text fields of various sizes, option fields such as checkbox, radio button, and drop-down, info only if you need to provide informational text, an upload file button to ask for PDF, doc, and Excel files, date widgets, and finally a custom question called Category Sort Select Menu that allows you to view the applicant's response directly on your Grant Manager dashboard for ease of sorting and decision-making regarding paneling and funding. There are several ways to gather budget information in GoSmart. Utilize either of our 2 budget templates or create your own budget tables. The robust 3-year budget template includes separate income, expense, and in-kind pages covering 3 years of data. The project budget template asks for specific project budgeting and summaries of totals. If neither of those suit your needs, create your own budget tables with custom headers, custom labels, and free-form rows where applicants can provide their own label. Create multiple sections that automatically subtotal, and grand totals for all sections. Use the Calculate Across table to ask for matching grant data and determine whether the table should add or subtract across before adding vertically. Use a custom calculation page when requesting numerical data doesn't necessitate a table. This dynamic page will add like items, which can be designated as expense, income, in-kind values, or numerical information. If you are requesting more comprehensive media from applicants, use a work sample select page. This works with the applicant's work sample bank that allows them to upload all of their desired media and attach the appropriate files to the respective applications. If you are a pass-through funder of the National Endowment of the Arts, use our NEA and activity locations templates to gather data that is specifically required by the NEA and works with our dynamic NEA reports. Applicants can save work and return at any time before the deadline to complete an application, then submit when they are ready. Create your own custom messages that will appear to applicants just before and just after they submit their page set so that they know what comes next. You will review and manage your received applications from the admin portal and determine who should be viewed by panelists. When it's time for the panel review, you will create your panels, designate the settings of the panelist portal, and assign applications. Panelists will then log in to review, score, and comment on applications. Invite panelists to the GoSmart site. Assign panelists to single or multiple panels and allow them to select which they will work on. Create custom instructions and allow panelists to generate their own panel book, a master PDF of all application PDFs for offline viewing. They can view the entire list of applications that you have assigned to their panel. They can sort by any column header and see who has been scored, who is incomplete, and who has yet to be scored. Panelists can begin scoring by clicking the Score Applicants button or clicking on any application below. Once they are viewing an individual submission, they can view the application, view any attached media, and finally, view the scorecard where they can score and comment. You can generate reports of panel scores at any time to determine funding. After applicants are awarded and notified, you can invite applicants back to the system to complete follow-up forms such as interim reports, reimbursement forms, and final reports. From your admin portal, you will create, edit, and manage all of these elements of the applicant and panelist portals. With the agency editor, you will create your homepage message, determine the settings of your applicant's work sample banks, and select your background color and logo. The user editor allows you to create and manage additional admin and panelists. Create content of your optional resource pages from the navigation editor, and finally, customize some questions of your applicant's registration page. Create unlimited grant programs, then determine the settings of each cycle from the Program Cycles editor. Create the pages, questions, and tables of your application, and create an optional intent to apply, interim report, or final report. From the Grant Manager dashboard, manage your applicants, review submitted forms, determine funding, and assign panels. Create confirmation emails that will be sent to applicants automatically when they submit forms, or send immediate emails to groups of applicants by status. Create single or multiple panels per cycle. Determine the settings and create custom instructions. Designate criteria and score ranges. And assign panelists. At any point, you can pull reports of your cycle data so that you can tell your funding story. The knowledge base is a click away where you can search for tutorials, webinars, and ask for help. Use the search function to locate individual users when you would like to email them directly, or log in as that user with special admin permissions, allowing you to better assist applicants with updating their profile or completing forms. Simple, customizable, smart. Talk to a member of the GoSmart team today to learn more or to set up a personalized demonstration. Reach us at help@gosmart.org.